For more than 150 years, people and organisations have adopted the Kiwi identity without permission or fair recompense. It's recognised globally as a symbol for the nation. This must stop. Russell McVeigh supports the Call Yourself a Kiwi campaign to pay for the right to use the Kiwi name.
It makes you think, if there were no Kiwi, what would we call ourselves? Every year in New Zealand, over 25 million native birds, including this little fella, are killed by predators.
How can you build your brand on the back of a key native species and then give nothing back when that species is on the brink?
We are of the view that there is a case to answer and that a cease and desist letter would simply be the first step, given the vitally important question at stake. Do any of us have the right to call ourselves a Kiwi?